Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the beautiful love. Thank you for the support. I just can't greet you enough. So, my wonderful family, today I have another one to share with you. Hey, trust progress the analyst. I will give it to you back to back. Anything that is happening, pam, you are seeing it here. The more reason you need to be sharing our videos, and the more reason you need to subscribe to this platform if you haven't. Now, they'll be hearing of Biafra Liberation Army for a very long time. People have been talking, they are saying, oh, you called yourself prime minister. You say you are Mazna the kind of disciples. What can you do? Drum don't make noise anyhow until someone plays it. All of a sudden, the prime minister display this Biafra Liberation Army and is now the talk of the world. Everybody is now saying about it. I say, ciao. I can't just keep quiet like this. I can't just keep calm. I need to bring it for my people so that we ourselves will dissect it and see what is really going on. Hence, I choose to bring it to you. So sit back and make sure you follow this update to the very end. Biafra Army is back. The Commander of Eastern Security Network is here. You will not let it not be that I'm the one that say it to you. Will hear it yourself. Sit back, watch this update, and I'll be right back.
I here to do. You are the one doing it to yourself. Don't want negi the vice president of this zoological country, and he not the one visiting the Boko Haram? You don't ask yourself question. Now Tinubu is there, Jagaban of the nation, the father of Agboro, Papanda Agboro. Are you not aware? Are you people not aware of what I'm saying? The father of Agboro, he is there now, celebrating Yorubas, and you are here killing your people. You are here planning a way to scatter the life of your youth, the grown-up ones. Do you think that we don't know what to do? Do you think that we don't have something I had to do in life? At least I was once a soldier man. Look at me today. I am fighting for my freedom. And that freedom all I know. And Biafra must be our nation. Because Biafra is my nation. I strongly believe these days, before God and Mama Abbas, I will cut her. I will cut the hand. Come go to the reality. I must cut off the hand. That's one thing I believe. And I strongly believe that Chukwu Kikabiama Yagaleru Gozierani Madudika Simon Ekban.
Say
Ekekere ligwe ko wani chelu licha. Adala wajala. Owo bulofoki dide jawan. Owo na nye chele chichega lugwa Hausa. Sinda Hausa kwalia. Hatera ni Abuja ku Igbos.
say
Owo na nye jebala Hausa. Sinda Hausa kwalia mo Yoruba si Yoruba kwalia.
say
Hanetera with umunai.
say
Mandi na nya hulile ma umunai halile ga agali hima.
say
Ekekere ligwe ko we ga lo anya ogwaleka.
say
Ga lo ya lori.
say
Ga lo ya lako. Ga lo ya lango.
say
Simon Ekpa must live for us.
say
Onwero ka ndi iro Yesu we cho ya.
say
Enwete ya.
say
Onwero ka ndi iro Yesu we cho mmadu dika igwe buta ụzọ. Oke nwa la ala Igbo gba gburugburu. Chukwu kabe ma ya ekwe ka ndị iro nweta gị.
say
Ị ga-adịrị anya ogologo ndụ.
say
Ị ga-adị ndụ weri uru afọ ịtara n'elu ụwa.
say
Ị ga-adị ndụ weri uru struggle a.
say
Ndị a niile na-echere ka ọdịda ya bụ nke ha.
say
Pụta ka m na-agụ eleli isi suma the rock. Ihe aga eri azụ aga eri ya.
say
Ihe aga atalishi azụ aga amụrụ atalishi ya.
say
Ọ bịara egbu ya ga-egbu onwe isi ala wazọ eji nke ewe.
say
Pụta ka m na-agụ eli isi anyị niile.
say
Isi ụmụ nke m niile.
say
Anyị ga-adị ka echi maka echi ada agwụ agwụ.
say
Biafran
mission
mission
must be accomplished.
mission must be accomplished. Only but one day. I just want to throw this message because I don't have much to tell you today. But only to tell you and to remind to you that after 14th, 15th, without releasing of Nnamdi Kanu, there must be a
Coffee.
in Biafra land at large. If I see you on the way, if I get you on the way, your own is gone and you must lose your life.
Sure.
You must lose your
Life.
This is all I have to tell you people, and I want to still tell you people that I am still coming back here.
Again.
I will still come back again. In a play.
The show. The show.
Woto Funa.
Body.
Mekuna Yara. This is the message for you people. If you no comprehend, I don't stand Gidibamo. This is Biafra Revolution.
Amen.
This is Biafra Revolution.
Amen.
This is Biafra Revolution.
Amen.
We are good to go.
Good to go, good to go now, Ajuaya.
We are good to go, no?
Ajuaya.
You don't get them the
Say.
I made this opportunity to come live to let my followers and the good people of Biafra to know that Baron is still alive and healthy. In case if your brother or your sister or your uncle or your parents are selling something near checking point, near Nigerian Army checking point or Nigerian Police checking point or Nigerian Army barrack or Nigerian Police barrack, I am advising you to go and tell them that they should vacate from that places, because anything can happen at any time. If your brother or your uncle or your sister or your family member or your wife or your father or your auntie is selling, doing hawking near Nigerian Army checking point or near Nigeria police checking point, tell them to vacate from there, because some days ahead is very, very dangerous and very, very deadly to our enemies. So I am urging you, I am calling all of you that want to still be alive to give them, because anything can happen to you, because this is the time we Biafra Liberation Army have to take serious action to teach Nigeria a very big lesson, because we have been keeping quiet for them. So we have been keeping quiet for them and then think that maybe we don't know what we are doing. We are going to use this opportunity to teach Nigeria Army, Nigeria Police, Nigeria DSS, Ebubago, and so all of them, for them to know that we are not joking and we are not going to be joking with anybody. So my people, be careful out there, because days ahead is very, very dangerous.
This is Biafra Liberation Army, the commander of ESN, the general. The commander of ESN.
You can as well guess what is happening right in the background. They are singing Biafra national item. Hence, I choose to mute it so I can have one-on-one discussion with you people. This is Biafra Liberation Army. You can see the forward march, past march, and all the march able going on right now. So what is your take on this? And they make it clear that if Mazi Kanu is not released before 15th of September, that is this month that we are now, that they are going to swing into action. How many of you believe this message? My correalistic and my wonderful family, you guys know that a lot of people are saying, oh, the Biafra Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is not working. But today, is delivering all these videos, all this little clip for us to know that indeed he is doing something. And I know that a lot of people will also disagree with it, because this life, people disagree to agree. So when somebody disagree with you, it's not the end of the world. So people will say, oh, we don't like this action, we want Mazi Kanu to be released before displaying all this. But I think that he have his own reasons. Anyway, I brought it here so that you will see what is happening. Please do well to share this video, like, and subscribe. Remember, progress got you covered. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.